name is Nelson Hidalgo. I'm the owner of Skyline Building Maintenance. Well, the soft wash is something that we don't do, that I've always been interested in doing, but I definitely wanted to learn a little bit more about it before we head in that direction. And also the marketing helped quite a bit, and got some great ideas with that. And in between, there was a lot of little nicks and crannies. There's always tricks to the trade that I learned, little things here and there from. It definitely helped a lot and will help a lot in the future. I can think of the one simple thing that's so simple and kind of like a no-brainer, just felt like smacking myself in the head for, was the ball valve to switch out, between the surface cleaner and the wand. Such a simple, one of those no kidding type things that why the heck don't I do that? Such a time saver, and definitely orders one right now. I was in the Marine Corps for 20 years, and then once I retired is when I started my new company. We started right afterwards, so we've been in business for almost 4 years now, and been shopping J.Racenstein from the very beginning. My father-in-law was a window cleaner his whole life, so he's the one who recommended me J.Racenstein. And for any time that you want a good product that's actually going to work, not something cheap that you're going to have to rebuy new or come up with some crazy invention, chances are they already got it. I would say, because it's one thing to buy the product, it's another thing to buy the product, learn the right way to use it, and some other techniques that may help you with something else that may even change the product that you want to buy completely altogether, and go for something that's going to be a better solution for the problem you have.